everybody, this is Miss B, and today we are going to play around with tableaux. A tableau is basically a fancy way of saying a frozen picture. We can use tableaux to retell stories, play charades or guessing games, and to help us understand how to embody different emotions. So today I'm going to show you a few different ways that we can use tableaux. So let's get started. The first group of tableaux we're going to explore is called characters. Alright? So I'm going to show you a tableau and I want you to try to guess which character I am showing you. I'll give you a hint. The characters are from Wilma Unlimited and Something Beautiful. What do you notice about this first tableau? It looks like they're running or in motion in some way. Who do you think this character is? You guessed it, it's Wilma Rudolph. Look at this next tableau. What do you notice? It looks like that person's holding something. Maybe a baby? What do you think? Yup, it's Aunt Carolyn and baby Carl. The next group of tableaux we're going to explore is called scenes. I'm going to show you a frozen picture of two different scenes from each of our stories. I hope that you can guess at home what these scenes are showing. Let's go check them out. What do you see in this scene? How are the two characters interacting with one another? Yup, you might have guessed it. This is Wilma and her doctor when she was first diagnosed with polio. What do you see in this scene? It seems like people are having a really good time. Maybe they're playing sports? Yep, you guessed it. It's Georgina and Mark trying to help her find beautiful things on the playground. They're dancing and playing sports. So like I mentioned before, you can use this activity in a number of ways. They don't have to be directly connected to any kind of story or book. You can use tableaux to play guessing games. In this category, we're going to talk about animal tableaux. Can you guess what animal this is? What about this animal? You could also use tableaux to guess different emotions. What emotion do you see portrayed in this frozen picture? What emotion do you think this is? You're doing a great job guessing at home, and I really hope that you get the opportunity to play this game, whether it be in a virtual classroom or at home by yourself or with others. You can use this activity in groups online, playing different characters to create a scene altogether. You could also use this activity with groups in your home. Maybe you and your siblings can do this activity to tell each other stories or make up new stories. If you'd like to send pictures or videos of your tableau guessing games to Handful Players, I would love to see them. I would love to see your videos. So please send them to the email below. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.